search engine optimization company in India, and web development speaks about providing the best SEO and development service. In today's digital era, having a strong online presence is vital for businesses to thrive and succeed. As the competition grows fiercer, the importance of search engine optimization and web development cannot be overstated. Recognizing this, a search engine optimization company in India has emerged as a trusted partner for businesses seeking to enhance their visibility and reach. With a dedicated team of experts, they offer comprehensive SEO and web development services that are designed to drive organic traffic, boost rankings, and deliver exceptional user experiences. Understanding the essence of search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is a powerful tool that enables businesses to improve their visibility on search engine, result pages, SERPs, and connect with their target audience. The Search Engine Optimization Company India is well versed in the ever-evolving landscape of search engine algorithms and utilizes proven strategies to enhance website rankings. They conduct thorough keyword research, optimize website content, and employ technical search engine optimization techniques to ensure that search engines can easily crawl and index web pages. Moreover, the Search Engine Optimization Company emphasizes the importance of a holistic approach, incorporating both on-page and off-page optimization techniques. By optimizing meta tags, headers, and URLs, they enhance website relevance and improve click-through rates. They also employ link-building strategies to establish high-quality backlinks, enhancing website authority and driving organic traffic. Through comprehensive competitor analysis and regular performance tracking, the company ensures that their search engine optimization strategies yield measurable results. Empowering businesses through web development. A well-designed and user-friendly website is the foundation of any successful online presence. The Search Engine Optimization Company in India understands this and offers top-notch web development services that cater to the unique needs of businesses across various industries. Their expert web developers employ the latest technologies and best practices to create visually appealing, responsive, and intuitive websites. The company believes that a successful website goes beyond aesthetics. It must also provide a seamless user experience. To achieve this, they focus on factors such as website speed optimization, mobile responsiveness, and intuitive navigation. By creating engaging and interactive web experiences, they captivate visitors, reduce bounce rates, and increase conversions. Furthermore, the Search Engine Optimization Company prioritizes the use of clean and SEO-friendly coding practices during web development. This ensures that search engines can easily understand and rank the website's content, leading to improved organic search visibility. They also integrate essential SEO elements such as XML sitemaps, schema markup, and optimized URLs, enabling search engines to index the website effectively. The competitive edge of the Search Engine Optimization SEO Company. What sets the Search Engine Optimization SEO Company in India apart from others is their commitment to delivering exceptional results and unparalleled customer service. They understand that every business has unique goals and challenges, and they tailor their strategies accordingly. By conducting in-depth consultations and analyzing business requirements, they develop customized search engine optimization and web development solutions that align with clients' objectives. Moreover, the company stays abreast of the latest industry trends and search engine algorithm updates. They continually update their strategies and adapt to changes to ensure optimal performance and long-term success for their clients. Their transparent reporting and regular communication provide clients with insights into their website's performance and the progress achieved through search engine optimization web development efforts. Conclusion. In a competitive online landscape, the role of search engine optimization and web development cannot be overlooked. The Search Engine Optimization C Company in India offers comprehensive services that empower businesses to enhance their online visibility, attract organic traffic, and engage their target audience effectively. Through meticulous search engine optimization strategies, they boost search engine rankings, while their web development expertise ensures that websites provide exceptional user experiences. With their dedication to delivering measurable results, cutting-edge techniques, and unparalleled customer service, the SEO company in India has earned a reputation as a trusted partner for businesses